Hey y'all, we are here at 500 Navigator Drive in Lincoln, California. This home is priced to sell at $460,000. Looking at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, newly remodeled kitchen, fantastic cork countertops, and I've got everything ready for you. If you're thirsty, come get some ice cold waters. I've got snacks, I've got candy, but take a look at this kitchen. It is gorgeous. Like I said, this is in a great community out in Lincoln. So come by, check me out, check out this house. Let me know what I can do to help serve you and get you into your dream home. We've also got a beautiful backyard. Take you upstairs. This is where the 3 bedrooms are. Got a half bath down below. Here's the master. Good sized master with a wonderful bathroom. Got the his and hers. And then you also got a walk-in closet that you can also convert like they did into a little office area. I'm telling you, this house right here, it's got a lot of charm. Here's your other bathroom, really nice. You got some stackable washer and dryers in there. Keep them out of the way. And here you got a bedroom, and then you got another bedroom. So if you've got little ones, those are nice rooms to have. Anyhow, this is Sterling. Again, I'm up 500 Navigator Drive in Lincoln. This is a house that you don't want to miss on. Price to sell. Come check it out. Have a great day, y'all.